Hola Amigos, we are the Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. Please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, where are we up to now?
On today's episode, with the kids' help, we fabricated a metal bow to match the original. We reinforced the structure of the front of the bus as well. So those of you that have done a roof raise, or attempting to do a roof raise, or even have the thought or desire, I know that Bluebird has a pretty standard size for their hat channel. I believe it's 1.5 inches. What we tried to do is use a hydraulic bender and try and bend square tubing to create a bow or a stud or a truss, whatever you want to call it. We attempted to use the bender and we really didn't have very good results with that. The problem is, as you bend it, you create a valley on the top and the bottom of the bend. So the outside of the radius and the inside of the radius dip in, so it's not flat anymore. So we attempted, based on a template, to match this, and we just weren't that successful. So we tried to get the bow close, but we couldn't get it close enough. And then what we really found out was the inside and the outside radius didn't lay flat. And where that really played a problem is as we started to look at the way the sheet metal was going to attach, every place that we went to attach the sheet metal to the bow, it would just create a deeper valley and it wouldn't lay flat. So we resorted to an old caveman style. You can call it a kerf cut, radius cut, pie cut, whatever you want. So we used a chop saw and we cut about 3/4 of the way through the pipe. And this is square pipe, by the way. And if you look at the video, you can see the tighter corner areas have more cuts because we're trying to decrease that radius. We were able to match the actual contour of the roof. We clamped it in place. And then after that, we tacked it, with the welder. We were able to keep that radius. And like I say, we matched it. We clamped it to the existing roof line and it fit perfectly. You can see that we still have a section of the roof still intact. It's the front piece of the transition. When we did the initial roof raise, we just cut it and lifted it. We didn't go that far forward as far as cutting this piece out. So now here we are in the video, we're cutting that out, and then we're going to start creating the front transition structure.
Over the same old town, like so many times before. Look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night. So
previously we showed you that we cut out that front section for the transition. Now we're creating all the structural pieces for that front transition now. Every piece is custom fit. We have an angle in the front and an angle to the rear, and they're also at a 45. Coincidentally, all these angles are 45 degrees. But the angles for the support pieces, they're all complex cuts. So as you can see, we're having to cut it, adjust it, clamp it in place, tack weld it. And we have to build our structure up. So that centerpiece you can see is just keeping that whole roof section from moving back and forth.
Cause you have a piece of same old town. Stay, stay. No, you're gone.
Why are you holding the camera? It's my turn to hold the camera.
Oh, that's not fair.
Well, you have me do all the talking.
Oh, come on, but nobody understands shit that I'm saying.
Okay. So, what did we do today?
Well, Brian, mostly, I just set up tools and pass him stuff. Because I don't weld and I don't cut things with the big, what do you call that?
The chop saw.
The chop side, like my fingers. So he built the transition structure finally. It's awesome. There's gonna be a window right here and another window right there. And of course there's gonna be a little window in here and a matching window on the other side. But this is basically reinforcing the structure of the whole bus for the most part, except that we still need to build the back, the structure transition. That will happen tomorrow afternoon, right here.
Okay, Vanna,
Right.
show me what you got.
What?
Show us what you got.
Oh well.
Pena, que esto se volvió una condena, pero eso no me frena, que fueras ajena, yeah, yeah.
What? Come on.
So we're gonna have one here,
Okay.
and then one's gonna go up here to that.
Oh, okay. In a triangle. Great. Okay. Awesome. That's tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
We're done for today.
Enough
So
for the day.
this is done for today, you guys. What day is today? Well, we've been working on the
Today's
bus
Sunday.
for a month. We've been working for a month in the demo, and finally we're actually building it. Very exciting. Almost every neighbor on the neighborhood is stopping by and asking us, what are we doing? Why are we doing this? Blah, 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 and they all love it. So,
So I think we can put a pull-up bar up there.
a pull-up bar? Yeah, right. Show me your pull-ups, baby.
Seriously.
How strong is this thingy? Woo! Yeah, don't fall, please. Wow. Good job, strong. Okay, well, this is it for today, you guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Keep rolling.
Or the next day, right? Woo!
Time to go.
Time to go. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.